I have my Boxycharm unboxing. Sorry. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have my Boxycharm unboxing. This is the September box. I received it just like 2 days ago, so I thought I would just get on here and film this video for you guys. Just gonna get on with this video. I'm gonna show you guys the products as I use them. The Boxycharm, and the theme of this month, this is Boxycharm All Access. So this is just what it looks like, and then the products are all stated over here. I'm just gonna start off with the first product that I saw that was kind of like skincare. This Dr. Brandt Hydro Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. So this is what it looks like. I've heard really good things about this brand, Dr. Brandt. I just never really used it before, but I'm definitely gonna give this product a try and see how it is. This is for all skin types. It's a recovery sleeping mask. So, and I really like this because it's an overnight mask. I feel like not many masks are overnight. So the next thing that was in the box that I'm actually gonna be using was this $1 Billion Brows, the microblade effect. So I opened this up already just because I really was intrigued and wanted to see, and this is what the one looks like. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see. Won't focus. So this is what the one looks like. It has like eyebrow pencil. Honestly, I've never tried anything like this, but I am gonna go ahead and apply right now. I'm not really sure if this has a shade. Well, it's in the shade dark. Just see how that works. I'm just gonna zoom you guys in a little bit more so you guys can kind of see. Okay, so right there. I'm just gonna, I don't even know how to approach this because like, does it have another end, like a spoolie or something? Okay, no. I'm just gonna read a little bit of what it says. So this pencil is supposed to have like a microblade effect. So I don't know if you guys can see, I just filled in this brow. So now I'm just gonna fill in this one. I'm just gonna do it on camera so you guys can see. I'm just kind of flicking it in the place where I have like sparse hairs. I'm not really too sure if you're supposed to blend this out, but I was just kind of using a spoolie just to kind of blend out the product a little. This pencil is like really weird, like it actually feels like liquidy. I've never used anything like this before. I mean, I feel like this is kind of just like an eyebrow pencil. I don't know. Anyways, this thing retails for $18. So this is supposed to mimic like actual brow hairs, and I actually do really like how my eyebrows turned out. They do look really natural. So now I'm just gonna get into the next two products. Well, the first thing were these, I'm not too sure how to pronounce this brand, Moda Pro, and it's by Royal Langnickel. So it comes with it's a 5-piece deluxe set, and this retails for $27.95, so almost $28. So I'm just gonna open this because I'm gonna be using it with something else that came in here, which is something I'm also really excited about, which is this Violet Voss palette, which is the Essentials eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $29. So this is just what the palette looks like. I did already dig my finger in here because I wanted to see the color and how it looked like. So I'm just gonna be doing some sort of an eye look here. I'm gonna try to go for like a fall look. So these are the pencils that came in here. They look really nice. I'm just gonna use these pencils to create a look today. So it has this really nice fluffy brush. It has a pencil brush, like a smudger brush, and like another crease brush. So I'm just gonna go into the eyeshadow look because I think that's what I'm most excited about, this eyeshadow. I've never tried any palette from Violet Voss before, so I'm really excited. So first I'm just gonna go in with these two crease colors, and I'm just gonna start building them in slowly, and I'm just gonna go in with the brush that's the crease brush. I'm gonna go in with that and lightly start putting the eyeshadow on. So I'm slowly just gonna keep building that shadow up. From what I see, it does pick up really nice pigment, so I like that. And I'm just gonna keep building it up. Okay. And now I'm just gonna go in with that terracotta shade and just keep on patting that on the outside and slowly bring it into the crease. So if you guys hear snoring, it's my dog because he sleeps under my bed. And if you guys don't know, I have a pug, so they tend to snore a lot. So sorry if you guys hear that. So I'm just gonna keep building the orange shade because I really like how it looks. So I'm just gonna keep building that. Okay, now, and just to deepen up the crease a little bit more, I'm gonna go in with this shade right over here, which is a cinnamon. So I'm just gonna place that onto the outer part of the eye. I'm really just trying to really deepen out that crease because these colors are really pigmented. Just trying to really deepen out. So I'm just going back in with that cinnamon and just packing on a little bit more. When you guys are with like stronger colors, I recommend just going in very lightly because then it becomes like really difficult to just blend them all out. So that's why I kind of just like to start small and just blend. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna go in with the gold shade in this. I don't know, it looks really nice too. Okay, so I just kind of want to keep it a little basic, so I'm just gonna go in with this really nice shade, which is actually just called gold. The flat brush is in the palette, and I'm just gonna take that gold shade and really pack it on onto my lid. So I'm just gonna go in with like this clean pencil brush, and I'm just gonna try to blend this all in together because I don't want any like harsh lines. So I'm just gonna blend the two colors together. So I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. I might build it up a little bit more. Now I'm just gonna finish this eye off camera and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. So I finished the other eye and I kind of put like white eyeliner under my eye. I thought it was gonna be more beige, but I was looking for a brown, but I couldn't find one, so I just ended up going with this. But anyways, I'm just gonna leave it like that. I don't think it looks bad, but I'm not really like loving it either, but I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. I'm just gonna go in with the last thing that was in this Boxycharm, which was the Han&Henry Blickity black eyeliner. So this little guy retails for $22. So it is a liquid eyeliner, and this is what the point looks like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do like a really thin line. If you guys have been watching my channel, you know that eyeliner is not my thing, and I usually don't do it on camera because I suck at it. But I'm just gonna try and do it. I'm gonna try to do like a really thin line because honestly, like this, like I have no promises because I suck at eyeliner. Do this. Okay, I did one eye. I just did like a really small line. I'm just not good at this, so there's something I definitely have to work on. But anyways, my eyes are pretty small too, so I don't really like to do like a really big crazy eyeliner. I don't think it looks good on me, so I'm just gonna do the other eye now. I decided I'm not going to put on eyelashes. I'm just going to leave it look like that and just put on some mascara. Okay guys, so I'm back. I put on mascara and I put on a lipstick. So this is the look that came out with the Boxycharm products. I really did like this month's box. The only thing I didn't really like was, honestly, I'm not sure. I kind of liked everything. Maybe some things less. If I were to say like my favorite thing was definitely the eyeshadow palette, because I love eyeshadow palettes and I just love eyeshadow in general. So I think that's definitely my favorite thing. And then I guess the other thing was the brushes as well, because I love brushes. I have so many brushes, and especially eye brushes. Like I think you can never go wrong with having too many eye brushes. And I think this is like the perfect little set either for yourself or for a friend or somebody who's like just a beginner in makeup and is wanting to try on new brushes. You guys can definitely check them out. I think they were really good. And I know that the brand Royal Nightingale is also like a really good brand. So if you guys want to check them out, I will leave it all linked down below. if in case you guys like anything. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe down below to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. I'm gonna be having another video up soon, which is gonna be like a fall decor, things that I picked up. As you guys can see, I have a new little background, so I'm gonna be showing you guys everything that I picked up recently. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.